So every property we sell has its own unique story, and this one is no exception. You could run your own business here, but you'll never guess what world record was actually set at this property. This has to be the most unique property on the market. Need an incredible shop where you can run your business? Or do you need tons of storage with the most peaceful privacy on Sumas Mountain? This is the perfect package where you can also build as large a dream home as you could possibly think of on this acreage. So the world record that was set here was a 198-foot UTV jump, and if that doesn't speak to the amount of space you have to play with on this property, I don't know what does. What do you think? Should I try it? All right, sure, it wasn't me going off that jump, but imagine having this in your backyard. It'd be pretty amazing. Now there's also tons of fun off the property. Like right in your backyard, you've got access to some of the best hiking, mountain biking, and off-road trails on Sumas Mountain. So mix business with pleasure by calling us to view this one-of-a-kind property.